I like the way they said we weren't supposed to get anything. They said everything was going to be to the south of us and way to the north of us. They said this whole area may be less than an inch. So far we got a half an inch, it seems like in a half hour, and it keeps coming down. And then I look at the map, and it looks like that all of North Georgia is going to get hit too, when they said none of us were supposed to get anything. Maybe some flurries, they said. It's unbelievable, man. They can't keep their story straight. They keep changing the damn weather on the fly. Look at this. I'd say it's more than a half inch. Good thing is it's supposed to be 38 degrees tomorrow. And all this will be gone. A lot of it. I don't mind it. As long as the power doesn't go down, I can still go to the gym, and I can still drive where I need to go. Go where I need to go. Without this, hitting any ice or anything like that, or falling on icy steps or whatever. But I mean, it does look nice. Shelby Dooby does look nice. Yeah, the Christmas decorations are still up. 'Tis the season. I'm not like everyone else. Not like everyone else. As soon as Christmas Day is over, you take them down. Rush to take them down, like you can't wait to take down your decorations. I think Gatlinburg keeps theirs up throughout the winter. There's even Christmas stores year-round, so there's that. Huh? I mean, I'm not going to be like Chris Gallagher and have them up all year. At any rate. I warmed up my car for half an hour, at least to get the brunt of this snow off of my windshield stuff in case I want to use my car later. But there you go. I'm going to the gym today, no matter what. No matter what. But at least it's not Pensacola, 7 inches, 7 to 8 inches, right? Lester, Florida? Lester, how much you getting over there in Sebastian? I meant to say Sebastian. What you getting, Jerky? Eh? I gotta check that out. Another car wait. Constant traffic in this neighborhood. Constant. I've never seen so much traffic cars in my life. Look at this, another one waiting. Constant traffic. Every time I turn around, there goes another one. There goes another one ready to turn in. I've never seen so much traffic in my life.
Oh, I got tons of. Maybe they're closed. They're closed. Watch.
Call them up.
You have to have windshield wipers on.
We'll go home. I'll go to liquor store and then home.
You do it on the rebound. You just gotta do that shit. Being over here, you gotta be a kook.
Go to the liquor
Real
store.
damn kook.
You're a kook. I'll kick your ass.
You're a kook, and so are they.
You're a damn kook. See cops and all that, ambulances.
You're telling me they don't have a freaking blade that they can put
Yeah,
on
they
a
usually do. I
sanitation
thought
truck
they did.
And put it on a sanitation truck and blade it?
I thought we had all that equipment. They used to always do that.
Never had it. They should have it by now.
It's 2025. What are they waiting for?
Because of all these snows here. Well,
it snows enough
they're making the snow. Look at that. All packed over there by Kroger, but you know?
Yeah.
Everybody's rushing to get whatever. Well, we got milk and we got plenty of eggs.
We got plenty of.
We got fruit.
We got a lot of everything, to be honest with you.
Yeah, we got plenty of fruit, and if we run out of fruit, we got dehydrated fruit.
Yeah.
Right.
Tell them.
In the bag. So, and we're loaded with vegetables and meat. I mean, we don't really have to worry.
Say you don't.
For days.
Say
that's just a.
Say I don't have to sweat for nothing. Say.
I don't really have to sweat for nothing to go run to the store.
Like
my
them.
house.
Like them.
Like my kitchen. My kitchen pantry is like a store.
Like that, right?
A mini mart.
We tried cabbage and... It's snow out there. But they're still well stocked over here at Publix. Unlike Kroger, I didn't bother going to Kroger. I know Kroger, on a good day, it's hard to find some of the stuff you want. Much less on a snowy day. Not gonna bother with that.
Oh, these are really green.
That's all I got for organic. Now, if you want yellow, you get the regular ones.
I don't want yellow, but I don't want them green.
This is about it.
Just put top on the front.
It ain't gonna snow anymore. This is it. This is it. This is all we're getting.
You should cover in case of...
It's not gonna snow. An uphill.
No. Yeah. Are you in reverse? You gotta
No,
put it
I'm-
in reverse.
I have
Put
it.
it in reverse.
I have it in drive,
You
but
got
I'm
it in
sliding.
drive, so put it in reverse.
I don't need to put it in reverse. It's reversing on its own.
Yeah, but that's not good when it's in that. Put it in neutral.
I have it on my brake.
Put it in neutral.
That
then.
doesn't hurt it. Doesn't do anything.
If you're not if you're on the brake, but if
I was
you're-
on the brake.
But if you're sliding still yet, that's not good.
I was sliding on the brake. It's locked.
Turn
It ain't
it-
gonna do nothing. It's locked.
We don't need to get stuck here when we're right close to home.
All right.
I won't be able to get pneumonia and die. We both might have colds. Stay on the track we're on. Don't go in that snow there.
I have to.
Don't go in it.
I have to. You don't make sense. I gotta turn
Well,
around.
all the way.
Am I gonna back out all the way up into the highway? I gotta face forward. Damn, look at
Never
snow.
heard of it doing this. You sure it's a snow?
Yeah. It's a snow.
Gotta go flat. No uphills, no downhills. You gotta look for flat. It's clear too. It ain't clear there. Shit.
I'm glad when all this bullshit weather's gone.
Yeah.
What kind of weather?
You say bullshit.
Bullshit weather.
It's automatic.
Yeah. It's different gears.
Don't put water on it, whatever you do.
Dollar General.
Then we'll really get ice.
So
We're on our
snow.
way back home
Snow is over.
from
It's just
shopping.
it's gonna be all
Let's
ice.
hope the snow is over and we get rid of it. You know, like it's pretty.
But
But
these
it's
numbnuts in this
dangerous
neighborhood,
right
they're
now.
always on the road. They can't stay put in this neighborhood for nothing. For nothing. There's always a car there, even now. Oh, he's in his four-wheel. Get out of my way, idiot.
Oh, watch. This kid, is that the moron?
Is this the stupid motorcycle
He's got
idiot?
yeah, I think so. We got a new thing now. For,
It's dangerous, that shit.
yeah.
Yeah, he can get hurt.
He's having fun, boy.
As long as he don't crash into our anything we got.
Might be another kid, I don't know.
It's a kid.
I like the slow motion. I mean, these pictures have motion. It's weird. Stop a minute. Well, you gotta stop. You have to. I forgot. You have to, what do you call it? Close the gate, don't you?
Yeah. It's the pond. The reindeer. All the woods. Property covered in snow. Snowy. You might have gotten maybe an inch tops, but the dangerous part, I just put down pool salt, believe it or not. For what that's worth, but huh. The bad part is this is gonna turn into ice. It's turning to ice right now, so black ice on the road. So if you don't need to be on the road, don't be. But at least it's better than 7 inches like down in Florida. I'll take this over that any day.